Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Juanita's nacho cheese sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cups of whole milk. For the cheese, grab 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, shredded. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of cayenne pepper will complete our flavor profile. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 minute. This creates a roux, which is the base that will thicken our delicious cheese sauce. Keep stirring to prevent any lumps from forming. Now, slowly whisk in 1 1/2 cups of whole milk into your roux. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently until it begins to thicken slightly. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then immediately stir in the 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese until it's fully melted and creamy. Finally, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and that small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your warm, creamy Juanita's nacho cheese sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour it generously over your favorite tortilla chips or use it as a dip. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.